Ever felt that tiny jolt of panic when an unexpected bill hits, days before payday? Or maybe you're staring at an empty fridge, knowing your next paycheck is just out of reach. We've all been there, that tightrope walk between paychecks, where even a small stumble can feel like a fall. In today's world, where expenses seem to multiply overnight, tools like Beforepay are advertised as a lifeline, a quick fix to bridge those financial gaps. But is it really that simple? Is it just a few clicks to instant financial relief, or is there a hidden hurdle race to get approved? You see those ads, promising instant access to your wages, no complicated forms, no lengthy waits. It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? And, honestly, that's what we're here to unpack today. Forget the polished marketing, we're diving deep into the real-world experience of getting approved for Beforepay. We're going to talk about the actual requirements, the potential pitfalls, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the basics. Beforepay, at its core, is a wage advance service. They offer you access to a portion of your upcoming pay, allowing you to bridge that gap until payday arrives. But, to do this, they need to assess your financial stability, your ability to repay. This isn't just handing out free money, it's a calculated risk on their part. So, what are they looking for? Firstly, consistent income. They need to see a regular flow of money into your account, showing you have the means to repay the advance. This isn't a one-off deposit, it's a pattern of regular, predictable income. Secondly, they analyze your spending habits. Yes, they look at where your money goes. This isn't just about how much you earn, but how you manage it. Are you living within your means? Are you responsible with your finances? These are crucial factors in their assessment. And here's where things get interesting. The algorithm they use is complex. It looks at your bank transactions, searching for red flags. Overdrafts, excessive gambling, consistent late payments on other bills, these are all indicators of financial instability. And they can significantly impact your approval chances. But it's not just about negative factors. Your credit score, while not the primary focus, can also play a role. A healthy credit history suggests responsible financial behavior, which can work in your favor. But, even with a decent credit score, if your bank statements paint a different picture, you might still face rejection. Then there's the issue of the amount you're requesting. They don't just hand out large sums to anyone. They start small, building trust over time. If you're a new user asking for a significant advance, you're more likely to be denied. It's about proving your reliability, demonstrating you can repay the smaller amounts before requesting larger ones. The reality is, getting approved for Beforepay isn't always a walk in the park. It's a calculated process, designed to minimize their risk. They need to ensure you can repay the advance, and that involves a thorough examination of your financial history. It's not just about filling out a form and waiting for the money to appear. It's about demonstrating financial responsibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.